Hi, I'm Karen Smith from Bright Spark Electrical Services. In this short video I'm going to explain what wireless mains powered smoke alarms are, why they're used in UK homes and rentals, and whether they might be right for your property. When people hear wireless alarms, they often think battery only. No. Wireless mains powered smoke alarms are different. Each alarm is hardwired to your 230 volt main supply, usually off a lighting circuit. They have a built-in backup battery for power cuts, and they are interlinked to the other alarms by radio, not by a physical cable. That means if one alarm goes off in, say, a loft or a kitchen, every linked alarm in the house sounds together, giving you and your family the best possible chance to escape. So why are they becoming so popular? First, regulations and best practice. Modern UK standards like BS 5839-6 and many buildings and rental rules expect interlinked alarms, often mains powered, especially in new builds, extensions and loft conversions. Rented properties in Wales and Scotland, smaller HMOs, houses of multiple occupation, and some holiday lets. Wireless interlinking is specifically recognised as an acceptable way to meet these regulations when it's installed correctly. Second, the installation with less mess. Traditional interlinked alarms need an extra cable run between each unit. In a finished home, that can mean chasing walls, lifting floors and lots of redecoration. With wireless mains powered alarms, we only need local mains at each point. The interlink is done by radio. In most homes, that means faster installation, much less disruption, and often a lower overall cost compared to rewiring for a cabled interlink. Of course, they're not perfect. They are costing more than a basic battery alarm. They must be installed by a qualified electrician. And all alarms still need testing and full replacement about every 8 to 10 years. If you're planning an extension, upgrading a rental property, or just want better protection for your family, wireless mains powered smoke alarms are a very strong option. Thank you for watching. I trust that this video has been of help and interest to you. Please like and subscribe to our video channel, and also hit that little notification bell so that you are notified the next time we record another video. If you'd like further information, then please do not hesitate to get in touch with us.